Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add watermarks to your YouTube videos. Okay, let's go to the video. First, go to youtube.com. Then click on your channel icon. Then click on your channel. After that, click on customize channel. Then click on branding. Down, then you can see here video watermark. Then click on upload. Then you can choose your watermark image. Okay, I put here. Click on done. Also you can here three options to choose: display time, end of the video, custom start time, or entire video. Here I put as entire video. Then click on publish. That's it. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.